You just completed a meeting here called Meeting Sample, and now there was some information that you were going to share with the group after the meeting. How do you do that most efficiently? And do you have to send an email and find everybody? There's an easy way to do it in Teams, so stay tuned. We're going to jump right to this very simple, probably right around a minute video on how to do this. So here, as you can see, I have a calendar and I have a meeting invite here on the calendar. And if I click on it, you can see how I can join the Teams meeting. Everything's good. The key that we want to focus on is right here, chat with participants. When you hit chat with participants, now you can say the meeting went well, or you can add a different graphic, or you can do whatever you want to it. Let's go ahead and find a graphic and we'll add one of those. So let's say you were giving somebody instructions on how to use Teams and it came up in the meeting, and now you want to use this graphic. I'm just going to copy that graphic over, and I'm just going to paste that right inside of here. So I'm going to say here are the instructions. Okay, I'm going to hit paste. Great. I'm going to hit go. Now all of the attendees are going to receive this updated information from you. As well, they can click on this image and see exactly what you were talking about. All's good. It's as simple as that. And that meeting will always be there. So if you want to go back in time and see, oh, I know I talked about this inside of the meeting, here you can see that. One important thing to remember, you can certainly use this as a means to collect information. You can see lots of things you can do here. But remember that everybody who is on this invite will see this information. So be careful of the type of information you put in there. And if the meeting notes are more personal in nature or something just for you, you may want to select an alternative method to collect those.